Let me ask you this. Have you ever got stuck in the traffic because of a never-ending highway expansion project? Or have you heard about a company that ran out of money before completing a big building project that they have started? So if you've ever been in one of these situations, believe me, you're not alone, because construction industry is suffering from a significant performance problem. Only 1 out of 50 construction projects can meet its initial budget and schedule. Another 49 projects out of that 50 have to deal with 80% cost overruns and 20 months in schedule delays on average. Yet, an overwhelming majority of project managers believe that their projects are healthy, so there's an obvious disconnect between their perception and the reality of project performances. This is mainly due to the lack of consistent and systematic project control approaches. Different companies use different performance measures in different projects. Therefore, the main objective of my research is to identify core metrics, or metrics that matter as we call them, to understand, analyze, and manage project performance in a much better way. Currently, there are more than 110 metrics used in construction project controls. It's almost like having a control panel of a plane in your car. You don't need all those gauges, and more importantly, you wouldn't know where to look at to identify issues. So through a multi-layered research approach, which included a long survey, several case studies, statistical analyses, and interviews with subject matter experts, we've identified 20 core metrics that can help the construction industry better assess construction project performance. Instead of spending resources on measuring too many things at once, companies and projects can focus on these 20 core metrics to understand and identify cost and schedule issues effectively. So they can transform project data into insights in a much more efficient way, which lead into projects being on budget and on time. We were also able to validate the significance of these core metrics by showing a strong correlation between using more of them and better cost and schedule outcomes. In fact, in projects using more of these 20 core metrics, we've observed 50% cost reduction and 30% schedule improvement. In addition to its benefits to the construction industry, my research can also have some profound impacts on the society. Considering the fact that construction projects correspond to 6% of the entire US economy annually, cost overruns and schedule delays are directly linked to lost jobs, higher safety risks, wasted resources, and many other adverse effects in society. Findings of my research are aimed to provide a better understanding and more consistent methods for performance control in construction projects, so that next time you're driving, you're not stuck in the traffic because of a never-ending highway expansion. Thank you.